Fresh update ahead of freeing Nnamdi Kanu I protest. In a stunning turn of events, fresh information from Abuja confirms that the Federal High Court has not stopped the planned protest scheduled for Monday, October 20th, 2025, despite what police lawyers and sections of the media have been circulating. According to Omoyele Sowore, all the claims suggesting that the court halted the movement are false, misleading, and desperate attempts to weaken public resolve. Sowore, in a defiant statement, declared, contrary to the misleading claims being pushed by the police and their media allies, no order was granted restraining citizens from exercising their constitutional right to peaceful assembly. Justice Umar of the Federal High Court declined to issue the ex parte motion sought by the police to stop the nationwide protest. Sowore said, what the police are parading is nothing but a purported court order obtained secretly in chambers, one that has not been served on any protest organizer or lawyer. The order, Sowore said, merely asked that protests not hold at Asarok Villa, the National Assembly, Ego Square, and Shehu Shagari Way, but not a total ban on protests. Sowore described the development as a calculated distraction, insisting that the movement remains unstoppable. According to him, the protest date is sacrosanct. The movement cannot and will not be stopped. Nigerians have the right to demand justice and freedom for Nnamdi Kanu. But Sowore didn't stop there. He sent a direct and fiery warning to the Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetokun, cautioning him to tread carefully. In Sowore's words, he said, knowing many Nigerian police force officers who privately support the protest, I caution the illegal IGP Kayode Egbetokun that if the blood of peaceful and defenseless citizens is spilled, he will face repercussions for his actions. Direct your men nationwide to protect protesters, not attack them. Sowore also drew chilling parallels between the current political climate and the tragic event of June 12, 1993, which led to the death of Chief M.K.O. Abiola. Sowore said, I was deeply involved in the struggle for the validation of the June 12th election, and I remember vividly how the system weaponized the judiciary to delay justice, deceive the people, and justify oppression. They kept saying Abiola's case is in court until they killed him a day before his supposed release. It was a tragedy disguised as law. Sowore warned that the same script is being replayed, this time with Nnamdi Kanu as the victim. He said, today, I see the same tactics, the same manipulation, the same excuses, fake protesters, fake narrators, the same abuse of process. Only the victims have changed. The system remains the same. Speaking about Kanu's condition, Sowore expressed deep concern. He said, Nnamdi Kanu I saw in court on October 16th is very ill. We must rescue him before another Nigerian is sacrificed on the altar of injustice and political wickedness. History must not repeat itself. And so as the countdown to October 20th draws near, one thing is clear, the tension is rising. The government is on edge and the streets are watching. The Free Nnamdi Kanu I protest is more than just a movement. It's fast becoming a symbol of resistance against tyranny, echoing the same defiance that once fueled the June 12th struggle. And in the words of Sowore himself, they can weaponize the courts, twist the media, and deploy the police, but they cannot stop an idea whose time has come.
Our freedom of Nnamdi Kanu is very near. You must have heard that in the last 1 week, nobody in government has slept. Since we announced that enough is enough, nobody has slept in Asarok. In fact, as we are speaking now, Tinubu has run away. But we tell and say, this will not be a matter of run. He is our brother to us. because he has not committed any offense. The only offense he has ever committed is to ask for freedom for his people. And this is the time that we say to the government of Nigeria that let my people, let our brother go. We are inviting you on Monday. Two things. We want you to close your markets.
We don't close them already.
Close them on Monday. Until Nnamdi Kanu comes home. Somebody wants to give me a plate of rice. I am not eating until Nnamdi Kanu comes home. Second, we want you to come to Aso Rock with us on Monday. We are marching peacefully and powerfully to Aso Rock to demand Nnamdi Kanu's release. In this same country where they have jailed Nnamdi Kanu, terrorists are having party with the federal government. Bandits are carrying guns with magazine, ammunition. The federal government last week even sent delegation to go to their naming ceremony. So what is the crime of Nnamdi Kanu? The only crime he committed is that he spoke up. He set up a radio station and said enough of the marginalization and oppression of my people. They took him to court, granted him bail. They went to his house and killed 28 people. They ran away. Left Nigeria for them. They still went to Kenya with international kidnappers to bring him back to Nigeria. Since 2021, he has been going to court almost every 2 months. No evidence, no trial. And all of you know me very well. They take me to court every week. Last week, they charged me 3 times. One, they said that I insulted the IGP, that is illegal IGP. When we get to court, they say, can a person who is not in the police force be the IGP of police? No! They say, that's how it's known. Second case, last week, they say I called Tinubu criminal. I said, all of them, they complain, say I call her. The Tinubu himself say he no be criminal. Third time, another person take me to court, one businessman. What's it? The judge says, the reason I'm telling you is that when I see a useless charge, I know it. And this Nnamdi Kanu trial is one of the worst trials that has ever been done. And the reason they cannot try him is because you cannot try somebody who has not committed an offense. But let's even assume he committed an offense. How long will it take to try somebody for one offense? It has been 10 years. October this year, 10 years since they started going after Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu's children that were born when he was first arrested are about to enter secondary school. They don't even know their father in real time. That is wickedness from our leaders. And like our brother said, this is not Yoruba, this is not Hausa, this is about justice. Because some people, they call me Onye Yoruba, but I'm not only, I'm Onye Justice. Thank you. And to cap it all, some people have said different things. But I want to tell you, the greatest enemies are in-house. Especially all the Southeastern politicians. We call them one by one. Your brother is in detention illegally. Go and get him out. They will say they will call me back. Since then, they never. It's a just and fair society. I don't need anything. I don't need land. Because God brought us to come and conquer the world. Yes, sir. So we cannot be looking for a small piece of land in here. I don't need money. Yes. Because I'm comfortable with my poverty. Yes, sir. I don't have much to eat. I don't need cars. because I cannot sleep inside the car. But I need a just, fair, and egalitarian society where everybody is happy to live here. And
free my brother.
Some people have been saying that Nnamdi is in court, he must conclude his trial. Go and ask them, Onyezuzu, did they go to court when they were committing corruption? And joined APC so that they will not go to court. Why is it that they don't trust the Federal High Court to finish their trial? The people that you people call Oye Beribe. That are causing this problem that we are talking now. So they'll tell you they are free Nnamdi in the afternoon, they'll go to Tinubu at night. Because they know that Nnamdi is the most popular person in the Southeast. And he will end their career. Because he will end their career. One of the most popular in this country today. Otherwise, nowhere that they are not talking about this is released today. By the way, today is Nnamdi Kanu's day. If you go to social media, Facebook, all of you I know you are on TikTok, post something about Nnamdi Kanu. Let him be trending. And by Monday,
we are marching
7 a.m. I will lead you to Aso Rock.
We are
They said a judge gave an order yesterday that we will not have a match. We have not been served with any order. But I called the prosecutor in the night. I know him personally, one of the people prosecuting me. I said, you are looking for trouble again. He said, no, we did not apply for you not to have protest. We don't want you to go to Aso Rock. Is Aso Rock your papa's house? It's our own money that we used to build Aso Rock. So if you like, we want to go and party there. How can you go to court and say that? Send me the court order. They say, you know they work on Saturday. I said, we will meet on the street on Monday. And you will know who owns the land.
So there you have it. Mobilization continues and all road leads to Aso Villa on Monday, 20th of October, 2025. Now, for those of you who will be a part of the protest, stay safe out there and do well to like, subscribe, and share as the updates will be coming to you via Political Arena. See you on the next one.